Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Your friends chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love. You make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so if you've been watching me as of late, I have been doing subscriber shout outs just to show you guys love, and especially in the videos that I caught my own wig in. So today's subscriber shout out is gonna go to my girl PYTG. Shout out to you, boo. I really do appreciate all your love and support. And if you are interested in getting a subscriber shout out, just be sure to comment down below in all of my videos and like my videos, and you will get a subscriber shout out. Now we can get into this video. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking today was caught by me with my own coins. Shout out to me for spending my own coins on yet another unit. You guys know when I do buy a unit with my own coins, I like to give myself a little, you know, a little, hey, go Chrissy, you know what I'm saying? Like, so that's what I'm doing right here. So shout out to me. So the unit that I am wearing is by Outre, and it is from the Wigpop collection. It says synthetic full wig. The style that I have is in Eleny. Child, I don't know, you can see it somewhere on the screen, and I do have it in the color DR Copper Orange. It does say that this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and it just tells the available colors, and on the back it just gives you all the special colors that this unit comes in. It says key features: great value, ready to wear and go, range of trendy colors and style, heat styling friendly. So this is what this particular wig looks like on the stock card, and on the back it just has the special colors. Okay, so with this particular wig, I want you guys to be mindful that there is no lace. Old girl don't come with not a speck of lace, okay? So I just want you to be mindful of that. This unit is super affordable. If I'm not mistaken, this wig is like $15 or maybe even under $15, and it doesn't come with any lace. This is a good just like throw on sort of wig. So I just want you guys to be mindful of that. Now it does come with a total of 3 combs. It comes with 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and it does have adjustable straps, and it's just a lace parting wig. So this is like definitely taking it back old school. And right now, honey, your girl ain't got the edges to make it do what it do like Shining Star, okay? Shining Star could really slay this sort of wig, and because of the color that I got, it also kind of throws it off where I can't really do what, you know, make it do what it do. But this is the type of wig that back in the day we would kind of push back past our hairline and make it look more natural. Like it's easier when you get a unit like this and like a 1B, but if I'm not mistaken, all the 1Bs were taken because that's what I was initially gonna get. And it's like I've lost my mojo with these types of wigs. So I just wanted to throw it out there and let you guys know. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, this unit literally has no shed, no tangling. It just, you know, it's a good just sort of throw on and go sort of wig. It came pre-layered, and as you guys saw, like I literally didn't do anything to this wig. I just threw her on and kept it moving. Like that is basically it. Other than applying some concealer in my Sephora for micro smooth to this party space. That is basically it as far as this wig go. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly. I do feel like Outre units do lean more towards the medium to small head friendly range, in my opinion. And this unit does that. So I am an average cap size, so I can only speak for average cap size. It is average cap size friendly for sure. But if you have a larger head, I do think you can make it work. That is purely me guesstimating because I had to adjust the straps. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, if you are interested in a full 360 as well as what I think about this super affordable wig, then please continue. Okay, y'all. So honestly, I am really feeling this wig. I think it is really cute, and I think it's very convenient. It's been a while since I tried this type of wig, and I wanted to get it just to kind of take it back to my roots, because these used to be my favorite types of units. And you know, when there was a lace shortage, I did a lot of lace parting wigs, but they were human hair wigs. But it's been a while since I had a synthetica that was a lace part wig, and I just wanted to just take it back there. This well, I sell lace part wig, child, but this old girl don't have no lace, child. There is no lace in this wig. So yeah, I really just wanted to go back, take it back to my roots, and give old girl a shot. And honestly, she didn't disappoint. Like I said, I feel like I could have made it look better if I had it in a different color. But nonetheless, the unit is really nice, especially for the price. And if you are a beginner with wigs, I feel like this would definitely be your cup of tea, honey. I wouldn't sleep on old girl. She is a look, and honey, apparently y'all are not, because y'all took all the natural colors that I wanted. Like, I really wanted this wig in a natural color. Now, I will say that this wig does like come very shiny, and I did apply some dry shampoo to it and to try to take away that shininess, because I don't have any baby powder. That's what I used to use on my wigs if they came too shiny. So that would be a con, but I feel like that's an easy fix, so it's not a huge con. So yeah, but honestly, for the price, I'm not mad at old girl at all, honey. I would definitely recommend you guys checking out Miss Girl. I keep saying Miss Girl because I don't remember my name. Eleny or Eleny, whatever her name is. I would recommend you guys checking her out, because I don't think you will be disappointed. And even if you are disappointed, honey, you ain't spent a whole lot of points, okay? So yeah, I'm feeling her. Let me know down below what you guys think. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Child, it is messing up my little eyelash. Got me looking crazy over here. Like, or maybe I just put my eyelash on crazy today. But anyways, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Do you think she's a look, especially for the price? Let me know down below. I am interested to know. And yeah, y'all, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I am Healthy Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time.